Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to freeze frame in CapCut. For example, I want to freeze a frame in this video. I'm going to play it first. Look for the perfect frame to freeze. Okay, right here, you have to click on the video. Click on the video over here and look for the editing options on the bottom of your screen. You have to look for freeze. So here you need to scroll left first until you find freeze. Alright, over there, and then click on freeze. You see the frame now is on freeze for 3 seconds. You can make the duration longer or shorter. It's up to you. You can make it longer by holding the video and make it longer, or you can make it shorter. And then we're done. You can preview the video first. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. And if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you.